The important thing in life, the first thing is get a cup of tea. Now we've cleared the roofs off, we're now getting the G-decking downstairs ready for us to get the lanterns in here, because I figured if we can get some G-decking down here, just get it to the 2 meter height it goes to, it'll work really well. I'm just going to take this with a bit of timber out. Once I've done that, I can actually then do the 2 lanterns in one hit instead of doing one at a time, so hopefully then the production of it will be a lot quicker. We've just mopped all the way around, cleaned all the residue water off, we're ready to go. Let's crack on. What we're going to do is we're going to square both the frames up. You may or may not know, to square a frame, you take that diagonal and that diagonal, make sure they're the same measurement. So I'm using a construction OB1, construction sealant and adhesive. You've probably seen in a lot of videos now, you can actually use this underwater. It's such a good product. And the other thing is they're supporting the youth of today. Here we've got 2540 out, so we're going to get in 2.5 mil. All I'm going to do is I'll take 2.5 mil, so when we set the diagonals, we'll just squash it a little bit on the longer diagonal, okay? So the next thing we're going to do is just equal this around. So if you get your tape out, I've got 75 here, Al, and that's from inner to this edge here, 75. I've got 80 here on this side, so I'm going to do 78, mate, okay? 78 there, look, that's it out, 78 all day long, all the way around. So this is along your shoulder out. So what we're going to do, we're going to mark it up now, we're going to screw that one, and then we're going to tap it this way, because this is just to show me where the adhesive's going to go. That's the ridge line there, you see it? There's the screw on the picture, you see it there? So the sealant is actually on that ridge, you see it? Because that's an even distance to that, isn't it? Okay. All right. So I'm going to cut the end of the nozzle to that size, so it runs a nice bead on that point there. Okay. All right. Now the reason we're drilling these, even though it's all machine and computerized done, it doesn't always line through. So what you've got to do is, you see, I put a hole punch in there. Doesn't matter. I'm going to tap this now perfect here. So I'm going to put that in there, locate it. You see it's just moved it, because I need to make sure I'm not being hindered by anything when I come to screw it all down. Don't want me fighting. There you go, get that done. Now, nice and perfect. I've only ever fitted one of these some time ago on Tom Culliford's job, and they're absolutely great product, but you know, you do have to mess around a little bit. And you can see, look, even if I got that bracket dead in centre, watch. So now that's dead in centre, tap it that way, tap it that way. Look, the holes don't meet up, you see? So all I'm going to do is I'm going to pull like that, line that hole up perfectly, so I know when I come to screw it, I'm not going to have any issues. And all I'll do is I'll re-drill this one. Okay guys, we're ready to spinderella. We've got our pencil lines to go to, haven't we? So just get lower and lower, touch down. We said we're going to screw this first, yeah, because this was the longer diagonal. You hook that up out. Oh my God, look at that, it's actually sorted itself out. 2542. Absolutely on the money. So let's get a screw in there first now. Can you hold this here, please? You hold that one now, you got it? Oh my God, it's not just within the mill, it's absolutely spot on. You can see the pencil line here, guys. When you put the screw in, make sure it's straight so it doesn't then pull it out. If it helps, what you can do, just pass the drill there, just get through the GRP like that. There you go, that's through. The one thing I love about this, it just flows so nicely. The viscosity is absolutely brilliant. flicker over. Spinderella, don't mind which way you go, kid. All right, Nev, yep. You line it through again. Good, I'm going there, I'm gone. Down, I've landed. I've landed, there we go. That's it, lovely. And I need to come this way out. That's there, I need to be there, mate. That's where the pencil shows. There you go, buddy, got it. Absolutely on the money, mate. 2542, that means this one should be then 2542 as well. It is, mate, absolutely spot on, mate. So what we're doing at the moment now, just getting those last bits of dust out. Can you see, look, see it there? If you hold it there now, right, push it up, that's it. That's it. All right, Al. Hopefully it's the same size. One size fits all. That's not too bad actually, 2, is that really? But it's easy with 3. Okay. Right, you need to push it a little bit in. No, down that way. That's it. You're good there. Yeah, it's going. It's going. It's going nicely, isn't it? There you go. Lovely. What we've done so far, we've stripped the plastic off, stripped the plywood off, we've then knocked up the main base frames. They've now sat on top of the upstand of the actual lanterns. We've now knocked in each of the hips, the ridge, and we've done this one, which is a smaller one, and then we've done these 2 over here. And I would say just to do those 3, the 3 of us have took probably 2.5 hours, do you reckon, guys?
Yeah.
Roughly about 2.5, 3 hours, so pretty good going. So it just shows you how quickly these can actually knock together. Really impressed with how these go together, really cool. So the next, this was a bit I found a little bit tricky, Nev, getting this right, because if you don't get them sitting right, then your glass doesn't go in right. Yeah. It's quite important now. Are they for the smaller lantern? For the small one. So I think what we should do is do the smaller lantern first, yep. And the key thing is with these, you're gonna make sure this rubber's nice and neatly in, all the way along, and if it's out like it was there, make sure it's in, make sure you got it here, because then you can then clip it in. So what you got is this clip system here, haven't you? That clip system, if you get in evenly like that, so I can see here now, just line them through, that's actually sitting on it. Okay, so underneath, I'm just going to even it out because I want to make sure it's even, don't we? Sure. Yeah. There you go, that's lovely then. Yeah. So that's clipped in now then underneath there, yeah? Yeah. And that can't come out. Okay, I was happy with that. Right, so what we're going to do now, yeah, do what we did before. Right, I'm about 1 inch in now, yeah. Okay, good, right. Yeah. Same again, guys. Get me lined up and in if you can.
You've got to go down.
Okay, mate, one sec. It's all right, 1 second, because I've got to hold it properly. You there? You under? Yeah, you should. That's it. You should feel a hook, yeah?
Yeah, we're in.
Right, I'm going to lower it, but I need you to bang it in now. You've got to bang it in. That's it, there you go, you're in. These, if ever you're doing roof lanterns, these are a must. These are ruby ones, they're absolutely brilliant. The other ones where you just leave them, don't use those, definitely use these. The suction it creates is absolutely brilliant. Is that the first one goes in, is it? Yep.
It seems to be, but you've got to get it.
Right, I've got it on the,
you've got to get it central as well.
Okay, I've got about 7 mil to the end of the rail. Al, you know this rail here?
It will slide. Yourself when you look, then you know you.
Okay, there you go, Al. Back there then.
Back there?
Yeah, that's it. That's it. Quite nice the way it just taps down, isn't it? There, is that where you want it, Al?
That's going to sit on the glass, isn't it?
Yeah. Good, ready?
Yeah.
That's That's it. What we're doing here is we're just lining this corner point of the glass with that corner point there. That's it, that'll do you, I think. Yeah, that's
Good.
lovely. Yeah, that'll do us nicely, that one, mate.
And then that's on there.
Yeah. There you go. That's lovely. That looks good here, mate. That looks nice. There we go. There we go, guys. We have done 3 lanterns in a day. I was not here, I had a meeting this morning, so I was away for 2 hours of the 8 hours today. But you can see it's really easy. I think that even if you had 4 of these lanterns to fit in a day, you'd do it easily. So impressed how quickly these go together. Absolutely brilliant. Definitely 100% always worth it. Korniche all day long. So if you like this video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell, because every time we upload a video, you'll be notified. Have a good one, take care. Boom, that's it. That's it, that's great, isn't it now? Brilliant. What a great day. What a great day, mate.